Hello everyone, this is Kinjal Parmar. Today we will discuss multiplexer and demultiplexer combinational digital circuit. So let's start with multiplexer. A multiplexer is a combinational digital circuit that selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to a single output line. So multiplexer is a combinational digital circuit which converts many input into one output line. The selection of particular input line is controlled by a set of selection lines. There are n input lines where n is equals to 2 raised to m, and here m is equals to selection lines whose bit combination determine which input is selected. Here in multiplexer we have a many inputs, and according to the selection line, this one of the inputs can be directed to a output lines. Here we have a basic block diagram of NGEM1 multiplexer. So for NGEM1 multiplexer, we have a N input lines and M selection line. Now this M selection line, so we have a basically relation between selection line and input lines. N is equals to 2 raised to M. So according to value of the selection line, this one of the N inputs can be directed to the output line. So this is how multiplexer combinational digital circuit works. Now, according to number of input lines, we have a different multiplexer. So let's discuss about this multiplexer. First, 2-gem 1 multiplexer. A 2-gem 1 multiplexer connects one of two 1-bit source to a common destination. The circuit has two data input lines, one output lines and one selection line. As two data, so here we require only one selection line because 2 raised to 1 is equals to 2. When S is equals to 0, upper AND gate is enabled and I0 has a path to the output, and when S is equals to 1, lower AND gate is enabled and I1 has a path to the output. This multiplexer acts like an electronic switch that selects one of two sources. Here we have a block diagram of 2-gem 1 multiplexer, 2 input I0 and I1, one selection line S and one output line. Now according to the value of this selection line, we have any of the input at the output side. If S is equals to 0, then output is equals to I0. That means data of I0 can be directed at the output side, and if S is equals to 1, then data of I1 line can be directed at the output side. So this is how multiplexer works. Here we have a truth table for this 2-gem 1 multiplexer. We have a 1S selection line. So this S have a two values, either 0 or 1. According to this, we have a output for S is equals to 0, Y is equals to I0, and for S is equals to 1, Y is equals to I1. So we can write equation of Y as we for output I0, here selection line S is equals to 0. So this term can be written as S dash I0, and here for S is equals to 1, we have a Y output I1. So it is written as S I1. So for both the term we have a output. So we can combinedly write Y is equals to S dash I0 plus S I1. As here only one output, so we have only one equation for output. Y is equals to S dash I0 plus S I1. This can be logically implemented using logic gates. So here we have a logical diagram of 2-gem 1 multiplexer. So if S is equals to 0, then this upper AND gate I0 activated and we have a output y is equals to I0, and for s is equals to 1, this lower AND gate I1 active and we have a y is equals to I1. So this is how this 2-gem 1 multiplexer works. Now 4-gem 1 multiplexer. A 4-gem 1 multiplexer connects one of four 1-bit source to a common destination. The circuit has 4 data input lines, 1 output lines and 2 selection line S1 and S0. Here we have a 4 input. So for 4 input we have 2 selection line as 2 raised to 2 is equals to 4. So basic block diagram of 4-gem 1 multiplexer, we have a 4 input I0, I1, I2, I3, 2 selection line S1, S0 and 1 output line. According to this S1, S0, here we have a truth table for 4-gem 1 multiplexer. For this 2 selection line S1 and S0, we have a 4 possible combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And according to this combination, we have a output. If S1 and S0 is equals to 0, 0, then Y is equals to I0. That means data of I0 will be directed over output side when S1 and S0 is equals to 0, 0. Then if S1 and S0 has a value 0, 1, then Y is equals to I1 for 1, 0, I2 and for 1, 1, I3. So this is how, according to value of a selection line, any of the inputs can be directed at a output side. So according to this truth table, we have a logical equation for y. Here y is equals to S1 dash S0 dash I0, because for S1 0 S0 we have a y is equals to I0. So y is equals to S1 dash S0 dash I0. Then S1 dash S0 I1. Then we have a term S1 S0 dash I2. Then next term S1 S0 I3. This logical equation can be written from this truth table. For I0 we have a 0, 0 S1 dash S0 dash. For I1 we have a 0, 1. That means S1 dash S0. Then for I2 1, 0 S1 S0 dash. For I3 S1 S0, and then addition of or says logical or of all this term. So here we have a logical expression for 4-gem 1 multiplexer which can be implemented using logic gates like this. So here we have a logical diagram of 4-gem 1 multiplexer. Here we have a 4 input I0, I1, I2, I3 to selection line S0, S1 and 1 output lines which can be connected with 4 AND gate, OR gate and by using 2 inverters. So this is how 4-gem 1 multiplexer can be designed. 8-gem 1 multiplexer. A 8-gem 1 multiplexer connects one of 8 1-bit source to a common destination. The circuit has 8 data input lines, 1 output lines and 3 selection line S2, S1, S0. We have a basic block diagram of 8 cross 1 multiplexer. Total 8 inputs I0 to I7, and according to this 8 input we have a 3 selection line because 8 is equals to 2 raised to 3. So 3 selection lines are required for 8 cross 1 multiplexer and 1 output. According to the selection line values, here we have a 3 selection lines, so total 8 possible combination, and according to this 8 possible combination, we have a one of the input at the output side. So for 0, 0, 0, y is equals to I0, 0, 0, 1, I1, and similarly for 1, 1, 1, I7. So this is how 8-gem 1 multiplexer can direct one of the 8 inputs to output side. Here we have a logical equation for this y output for S2, S1, S0 for 0, 0, 0, we have a I0 which can be written as S2 dash, S1 dash, S0 dash, I0. Then for 0, 0, 1, we have a S2 dash, S1 dash, S0, I1. So similarly, we can write total 8 terms and then take OR of this all term, which can be implemented using logical diagram. So here we require 8 input line, 3 selection line, and for 3 selection line we have to here use 3 inverters, and then for 8 terms we have here 8 AND gates and 1 OR gate. So this is how 8 gem 1 multiplexer can be designed using logic gates. Now let's discuss about example of multiplexer, and here we discuss design of multiplexer. Design 16 gem 1 multiplexer using 4 gem 1 multiplexer. So here we have to design 16 gem 1 multiplexer. That means here we require 16 input line, but here this 16 gem 1 multiplexer can be designed using 4 gem 1 multiplexer by using 4 times 4 gen 1 multiplexer, as 4 into 4 16. So here we can implement this 16 gem multiplexer. So here we implement 16 gem 1 multiplexer like this. Here we first use 4 gem 1 multiplexer 4 times. So I0 to I3, I4 to I7, then I8 to I11, I12 to I15. So here we have a 16 input. Now for 4 gem 1 multiplexer, only 2 selection lines are required, S0, S1, S0, S1. So connect this selection line to 4 cross 1 multiplexer. Now we have a 4 outputs over here, but we have to convert 4 outputs into 1 output, as we have here condition to design 16 gem 1 multiplexer. So this can be again multiplexed with using other 4 cross 1 multiplexer. So the output of this 4 multiplexer can be given to another 4 cross 1 multiplexer, and here we use selection line S3, S2. So using this we can design 16 gem 1 multiplexer using 4 cross 1 multiplexer. We can also implement logical function using multiplexer. So let's discuss about this. Here we have an example. Implement function f a comma b comma c comma d is equals to summation of 1, 3, 4, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 using 8 gem 1 multiplexer. So how we can implement this using 8 gem 1 multiplexer? So first decide we have a here total 4 variables, and for 4 variables consider one variable as a data variable and other variables as a selection line variable. So here we consider this A as a data variable and this B, C, D as a selection line variables. Now here we have a A as a data variable, so we have to first decide inputs for this 8 gem 1 multiplexer. So how we can calculate the input condition for this 8 gem 1 multiplexer? So by making this table, here we have a condition that use 8 gem 1 multiplexer. So place this input of 8 gem 1 multiplexer column wise I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7. Then place condition of A row wise. Maybe we have a is equals to 0 or A is equals to 1. If A is equals to 0, it means A dash, and if A is equals to 1, that means A. So this is how represent row wise and column wise. Now place numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 7. Then next row 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is standard procedure for all the function. Then mark circle for given function. Here we have a term 1. So mark round over 1, then 3, then 4, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here we mark functions which given in example. Now after marking this circle, compare column wise. In I0 there is a no circle, so it means this I0 correspond to 0. Then for I1 only one circle over here which is correspond to A dash, so here we write A dash. Then for I2 no circle, that means 0. For I3 both the circle, that means A dash plus A, which is equal to 1. Here both circle, that means 1. Then here only one circle, so which is correspond to A. Only one circle correspond to A. Only one circle correspond to A. So here we have a input for I0 to I7. I0 is equals to 0. I1 is equals to A dash. I2 is equals to 0. And similarly I7 is equals to A. So this is how we can make a table and calculate input for given logical function. Now this can be designed using 8 cross 1 multiplexer. For 8 cross 1 multiplexer, we have a I0 to I7 input and total 3 selection line S2, S1, S0. As here we use A as a data variable and other B, C, D as a selection variable. So represent this B, C, D at the selection line and then connect this input condition at given I0, I1, I2 respectively. Here we have a I0 is equals to 0, so 0. I1 is equals to A dash, so connect A dash. Then I2 is equals to 0 and similarly we have a I7 is equals to A. So this is how we can implement logical function using multiplexer. Now let's discuss about demultiplexer. The demultiplexer is a combinational logic circuit designed to distribute one common input to one of the several output lines. Obviously, exactly opposite of a multiplexer. In multiplexer, many to one. Here, one to many. The selection of a particular output line is controlled by a set of selection lines. There are n output lines where n is equals to 2 raised to m and m selection lines whose bit combination determines which output line is selected. Here we have a basic block diagram of this 1GEM8 demultiplexer, one input line and n output line, and here we have a m selection line and n is equals to 2 raised to m. So let's discuss about 1GEM2 demultiplexer. 1GEM2 demultiplexer connects one input to any of the output lines. The circuit has one data input lines, two output lines and one selection line S. When S is equals to 0, upper AND gate is enabled and data has a path to the first output Y0. And when S is equals to 1, lower AND gate is enabled and data has a path to the second output Y1. Here we have a block diagram for 1GEM2 demultiplexer. One input line D in. This D in can be directed at Y0 or Y1 according to the value of selection line. Here we have a truth table for this 1GEM2 demultiplexer. If S is equals to 0, then Y0 is equals to D in and Y1 is equals to 0. And if S is equals to 1, this Y0 is equals to 0 and Y1 is equals to D in. So here we have a two outputs and according to selection line, one of the outputs will be activated for input condition. We have an equation over here, y0 is equals to s dash d in, because for s is equals to 0, y0 will be activated. So y0 is equals to s dash d in and y1 is equals to s d in. So here using this logical equation we can implement 1GEM2 demultiplexer. So here we have a logical diagram of 1GEM2 demultiplexer. y0 is equals to S dash D in and y1 is equals to S D in. Then 1-gem 4 demultiplexer. A 1-gem 4 demultiplexer connects one input to any of four outputs. The circuit has one data input lines, four output lines and two selection line S1 and S0. Basic block diagram of 1-gem 4 demux. One input D in, four output Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, two selection line S1, S0. According to the value of this selection line, we have a one of the output activated for input. If S1, S0 is equals to 0, 0, then Y0 is equals to D in. All other inputs are 0. For 0, 1, Y1 is equals to D in. Other outputs are 0. And for 1, 0, this Y2 is equals to D in. Other outputs are 0. And for 1, 1, this y3 is equals to d in, other are 0. According to this, we have a logical equation for four outputs y0, y1, y2, y3. y0 is equals to s1 dash s0 dash d in, y1 is equals to s1 dash s0 d in, y2 is equals to s1 s0 dash d in, y3 is equals to s1 s0 d. And using this equation, we can implement 1-gem 4 demultiplexer. Here we have a one input D in S1, S0, two selection line and four output Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. 1-gem 8 demultiplexer. A 1-gem 8 demultiplexer connects one input to any of 8 outputs. The circuit has one data input lines, 8 output lines and 3 selection line S2, S1, S0. Block diagram of 1-gem 8 demux. One input line D in, total 8 output Y0 to Y7 and 3 selection line S2, S1, S0. According to the value of S2, S1, S0, one of the output from Y0 to Y7 is equals to D in. For 0, 0, 0, y0 is equals to d in. For 0, 0, 1, y1 is equals to d in. And similarly for 1, 1, 1, y7 is equals to d in. So this is how 1-gem 8 demultiplexer work. We can write logical expression for y0 to y7 from this truth table and implement using logical gate. So here we have an equation for y0 as y0 will be activated at S2, S1, S0, 0, 0, 0. So we have a y0 is equals to S2 dash, S1 dash, S0 dash D in, y1 is equals to S2 dash, S1 dash, S0 D in, and similarly y7 is equals to S2, S1, S0 D in. And this 8 outputs can be implemented using one input D in and 3 selection line S2, S1, S0 using total 8 AND gate and 3 inverter. So here we have a logical diagram of 1-gem 8 demultiplexer. Thank you.